you know, so happy that we you guys' memory back, and you know, we get time to ourselves to relax and you know, have fun. And don't have to worry about going on adventures or anything. But yeah, you're right, Woody. Just so glad we can just relax and you know, sit here. Nothing ever can go wrong. Yeah. Hey. Oh, a little turtle! Oh, nice turtle. Nice turtle. Oh, look, you guys. It's a little turtle. Tony, I don't think this is a regular turtle. It's Bowser Jr. Oh, what's Bowser Jr.? It's Bowser's son. Oh, you're not the brightest, are you? What does bright mean? Don't worry about it. What are you here for, kid? My dad said you had to babysit me and, you know, take care of me for the day. Why? Because, he had to go shopping. Oh! Did you buy Frosted Flakes? I don't know. Tony, let's have a very grown-up discussion about this and what we're going to do. Okay. Okay, so, Tony. Yeah? Okay, so, I don't think that he has good intentions. So I think what we should do, you go take him to the park, and you take like Woody or Mario with you, and we just kind of hang out. And oh, I love going on slides. I want to go to the park. Yeah, because we're always going to the park. Yeah. Okay, so me and Mario will stay here, and you and Woody will go to the park and take care of Bowser Jr. Okay. Okay? I heard you said okay. Okay, now let's go. Okay, so me and Tony are gonna take Junior to the park, so we'll be back in a jiffy. Yeah! Okay, come on, let's go. So, now that Woody and Tony are gone, what do you want to do? Well, I guess I am kind of hungry. Do you want to go get something to eat? Well, yeah, let's go get something to eat. Yeah. Is there something downstairs we can eat? I believe there's just corn dogs in the fridge. Okay, that works, yeah. Go on. I got the corn dog. Alright, well, Luigi, I got the plate, so you can just set the corn dog on here. It's perfect. We can just set it in the microwave. Set that for about like, I don't know, 30 minutes, and go, you know, hang out while we wait. Okay, come on. Oh. Is anybody home, Shay? Oh. Phone's around. Oh, look, food. Oh my God, man, there's spices to it. What do we got cooking here? A corn dog. Oh, Shay, that sounds delicious, Shay. Oh. Just missing the special ingredient. Oh, yeah. A few pinches of my secret sauce, my secret salt, should be applied to my corn dog. And since no one's around, I think it's safe to eat. No one claimed it, so put it back in the microwave. Well, I'll make my way back outside. I don't feel safe being here, because like, what if I get caught? What if someone sees me and they call the police and it gets all messy? Yeah, I don't want to deal with that. Right, Mario, I think that our corn dog is done. Okay, then get out the microwave. Okay. It exploded a little bit, and it smells a little sticky, but safe to eat. So I guess let's dig in. Wait a minute. Something smells off about this corn dog. I can't tell what it is, but it's... Oh, it's probably just a cat. It's okay. We should be fine. Okay, well, Luigi, I think this corn dog's safe to eat. We can eat this. It's the breading. Let me just... This is so good. Oh, Luigi, that was one good corn dog. Well, you said it, Mario. Mario, my head feels funny. Oh, mine does too. Oh, I don't feel good. Luigi? Dude, I'm freaking tripping, bro. What the freak? Oh man. Wait. Where am I? Hello? Hello? I don't think anyone's here. Hello? What the? Mario! Tony, what are you doing here? Tony, why are we here again? Oh, because Mario, Junior and Woody, well, Junior went home, and, Woody, he went out to go get food or whatever, to go find Luigi. So, yeah, that's what happened. Okay. So, why do you have a backpack on? Oh, because the little birdie we fought before, he told me I was on cleaning duty, so I have this vacuum, so I'm gonna, you know, clean up all the garbage and stuff around here. Oh, you're talking about Woody Woodpecker? Yeah. Oh, that's bad. That's not good. That's not good at all. Why? Well, because he tried to kill us. Oh yeah, because I didn't engage in that fight very much. Yeah, you really didn't. Okay, so what do we do now? I suppose we go find Luigi. Yeah, let's go. Okay.
So, what do it be?
You know, them brownies do look good. I definitely need one of them guns. Our root beer looks pretty good. I don't know, man. What do you recommend?
I would recommend, getting the root beer and the gun.
Well, you know, this holster has a purpose. You know, and that root beer looks pretty good. I'm not gonna lie, but I do have a very important purpose. My brother, he's out here, right? My brother Woody.
Are you talking about Woody Woodpecker?
Yeah, and you know he's evil. He's nothing but evil. So that gun will become pretty good and handy. So I'll buy everything off of you. How much is it?
$5
For everything?
for everything.
That's a pretty good deal, sir.
Yeah, no one really comes out here, so I'll give you the best I can give you.
Okay, well, deal's a deal. Here you go. You know, I really wish we could find Luigi. Hopefully Tony found Mario.
Wait.
Huh?
What is that?
Why you got googly eyes on there?
It's me,
What are you talking about?
your Uncle Teddy. I've inherited this bottle of root beer.
Really? Uncle Teddy? From Texas?
Yes, it's me. Take my words of wisdom, young Woody.
If you say so. You know that gun you bought? Yeah.
Use it to shoot Woody Woodpecker, your brother.
And make sure that the gun doesn't land in the wrong hands. You got it, sir.
See, Woody, your brother brought an assistant with him.
An assistant?
Yeah, he's this big green guy.
Oh, how strange. Hey, Uncle Teddy,
Yeah,
is
Is that box of brownies also in a spirit? No. You can drink those all you want. Drink. It's food.
Oh yeah, you're right. I'm old.
That's what I thought. Anyways. So, I gotta shoot his assistant, but not my brother.
Don't shoot your brother, it'll end up really bad.
Well, whatever you say. Wait, you can see into the future?
Yeah!
So, are Mario and Tony okay?
Yeah, they're fine.
Well, you
gotta go far right.
wait, no, I mean left. Very old, Grandpa.
I'm your uncle.
Oh, yeah, right. You're my uncle. Okay, well, I'll search for him. Hopefully, I'll get there in the right time.
You go, Woody! Wait, you're not taking me with you.
Oh, what? Don't worry, Uncle Teddy. I'll make you proud.
You better, you idiot!
Okay. I got you, my gun, and this delicious box of brownies. Alright, we're all ready. Let's go.
I hope we find Luigi soon.
Yeah, me too.
It's so cold out here.
Yeah. Wait a minute. Is that Woody Woodpecker?
Oh, look, he's with that, with Luigi.
Oh my gosh. Okay. Alright, let's go. Come on.
Look, there's him over there.
Oh my god. They got Luigi tied off. Don't cry. It's okay. We'll go get him. Oh, there goes my hat.
Oh, I'm so scared.
Well, boss, I think we got him pretty tied up, don't we? Quiet, you! Now shut up!
What's that, boy? I think he scented something. Be quiet. Anyways, what do you sense, boy? Mario! Mario. I knew he'd come here. Probably my brother and that dumb tiger. Shut up! Ugh. Donkey Kong, I'm gonna need you to do your work when they get over here. And you better stay quiet, or I'll kill your brother and that dumb tiger. I'm never gonna lay my hands on my brother, but your friends, they aren't gonna be in good hands. That's all you do. Okay then. Donkey Kong, I'm gonna send you out first. You're the toughest, so you'll probably beat him in a jiffy. You quiet, Luigi. Okay, Donkey Kong, do your thing.
That's the power of pure strength. Oh, my face. Come on, Mario.
Oh, my stomach. Donkey Kong. This will be the first time we fight. Well, except this time I'm not jumping over barrels or, saving it for this. It's whatever. Alright, come on, fight.
Oh, you're bald. Oh, banana.
No, I'm not a banana. Oh, my big nose.
Oh, yeah, you got your big nose. Yeah. Oh, what you gonna do now? Now you're on the ground.
Where's my hat?
I landed. Fidget spinner.
Water bottle?
No. Oh.
get.
Boss, Donkey Kong got defeated. Okay, you go out there, and you gonna stop them, okay? Okay. Hey, Mario, I guess I gotta stop you or something.
What are you gonna do? Sell me to death?
You know, I don't really know, Shay. No, I'm not made to fight. What just happened? What? Assistant! What happened? Oh, Shay, I've been hit. From where? I don't know. Came out of nowhere. That can only mean one thing. That's right. It's me.
And Uncle Teddy!
You really had to ruin the moment, didn't you, Uncle Teddy?
Yeah.
I'm drinking you later.
No!
Oh, yeah? And what are you gonna do?
Oh! Oh! Oh!
Did you just throw a bottle of root beer at me?
Oh, partner.
Hey, Mario, catch.
Roy, you must be Mario.
Yep, that's me. Huh?
Oh.
You okay?
No, I wasn't asking you.
Luigi! I should get this tape off of you.
It's very strong tape. Thank you for saving me, Tony.
No problem, buddy. Oh, I'm so glad you're okay.
Wow, I'm glad I'm okay too, Tony. My feet are kind of wrapped up.
Let me get that for you.
Okay, so where's Mario?
He's over there fighting Woodpecker.
You think we should go ahead?
I don't know. I'm not much a fighter. So maybe we can just, hang out.
No, I wanna go help Mario.
Okay.
Oh, he's beating up Woody Woodpecker pretty bad. Yeah, that's my brother.
Okay. So I guess I will help him.
Okay. Oh, I know exactly what we're gonna do with you. Yeah.
Oh. And stay away, idiot. I should probably put him somewhere so he's not, getting out again. Alright.
Well, you know what, Lee? These brownies are pretty good. Yeah.
So does that mean I'm part of the gang now?
Oh, hey guys, you got some delicious brownies?
Oh, hi Mario.
Luigi! Luigi, we got you, buddy. Oh, hi Mario, hello. Oh, you got some brownies? Can I get some?
Yeah.
Oh, okay. Let's just make sure they're not covered in salt this time, because last time we ended up here. Yeah. You know what, Mario? These brownies are pretty good.
You guys, I think it's time to go home. Yeah.
Okay.
Today was weird.
Mario, don't forget the brownie.
I can't wait to see Wario again.
They all live happily ever after. That's the end.